Want to post Instagram stories without certain people seeing them? You don't need to block or unfollow anyone. Instagram has a hidden privacy feature most users overlook. Let me show you how to hide your story and live from specific people. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, where we help you master social media the smart and professional way. Step 1. Open Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the correct account. This works for both iPhone and Android devices. Stay on the home screen to begin. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your personal Instagram profile. From here, you can control privacy and visibility settings. Now look for the menu option. Step 3. Open the menu. Tap the 3 lines menu icon in the top right corner. This opens your account settings panel. From the list of options, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll to find story-related controls. Step 4. Select Story, Live and Location. Tap on Story, Live and Location settings. This section controls who can view your stories and live videos. Instagram gives you advanced privacy customization here. Now choose the Hide option. If this privacy tip helped you protect your space online, hit the like button and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. We share practical social media tutorials every week to keep you informed, secure, and in control. Step 5. Tap Hide Story and Live From. Select Hide Story and Live From. You'll see your full followers list appear. Scroll or search for specific people. Choose the accounts you want to hide your content from. Step 6. Confirm changes. After selecting the person or people, tap Done. Your settings will update immediately. Those selected accounts will no longer see your stories or live videos. They won't receive any notification about this change. Instagram privacy is all about control, and now you know how to customize exactly who sees your content. Small settings like this make a big difference in protecting your personal space online. If this guide was helpful, like the video, subscribe to Preyo Phonie, and comment below what Instagram feature you want next. This is Preyo Phonie, helping you stay smart, private, and one step ahead on social media. See you in the next one.